Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Queen and I'm popularly known as Igbo with Queen TV. In this channel we speak Igbo language. Everything about this channel is Igbo language. If you're a beginner and you don't know how to speak Igbo, this channel and this very video is for you. So guys, let's start. How much? How much? How much? Ego ole? Ego ole? Ego ole? How much? Ego ole? You went to the supermarket, you want to buy something and you ask the person, how much is this? How much? That is ego ole. Ego ole? How much? Ego ole? How much? Ego ole? Ego ole? Ego ole? Ego ole? How much? Ego ole? How much? Ego ole? How much? Ego ole? Money. Money. Money is called ego. Money is called ego. Money is ego. Money is ego. Money is called ego. Money is called ego. Money is called ego. Ego. That is money. Ego. Money. Ego. That is money. Hello. Hello. Ndewo. Ndewo. Ndewo is hello. Ndewo is hello. Ndewo is hello. Ndewo. That is hello. Ndewo. Hello. Ndewo. What will you do tomorrow? 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 Kee ihe ị ga-eme echi? Kee ihe ị ga-eme echi? What will you do tomorrow? Kee ihe ị ga-eme echi? Kee ihe ị ga-eme echi? What will you do tomorrow? Kee ihe ị ga-eme echi? Kee ihe ị ga-eme echi? Tomorrow, I want to meet with my dad. Tomorrow, I want to meet with my dad. Tomorrow, I want to meet with my dad. M na-aga ịhụ nna m echi. M na-aga ịhụ nna m echi. And if today is your first time watching me in this channel, please do not forget to subscribe. Click on that notification bell over there so that anytime I upload a new video, you always be the first to see it.